Kama ne Kitisuru kod Kitisuru Spring kar chung'od bura ma Westlands kuno ne obago ng'anyo ewi gedo madhi nyime e wang pi e ora ma Kitisuru. Giyango ni gin gi luoro ni gedo no kodhi nyime to pi ora biro rawo e utegi kane giloso e romono. Jatend riwruok Jodak kama kanyo lako chieng' oyango ni osebedo ka omanyo kony kowuok kuom sirikand kaunti ma Nairobi kod duola marito alwora NEMA, kata kamano kony pok ochopo nyaka sani.
And part of what they've done is to backfill the soil, which is blocking one of the sources of the Kitisuru River. And with them doing that, we face the risk of the water backwashing into our estates and causing trouble for us. The other issue we have as well is the fact that the development work is being done very close to the roads, which is going to impact and affect our access. And this is a major road that's being used here. It has been going on for a while. We've raised concerns with NEMA. We've written to them. They've visited the site. Unfortunately, the development continues.
What we are seeing here is they are grabbing this land, and you can see the impact on the environment. If you look around, most of these trees have now dried because they've started backfilling, especially with the long rains. What they would do, they would come in the wake of the night, they would pour modes of soils to cover this place to basically create an environment for them to build. And we are condemning this in the strongest terms possible, and we are saying it must stop. Whoever is concerned must stop and must be brought to book and basically held accountable.